Look, I want to tell a little story about me and Amy meeting, right? Most of the time, with good relationships, yeah, it's like a remarkable meeting. So cute, so lovable. But I think the beauty in our relationship is how unremarkable it was. We met via Bumble on a Monday. We both couldn't be bothered. Quite frankly, I was still hanging from a date on Saturday.
Yeah, and me, yeah.
I actually, at the time, thought I was quite a good date. You know, I'm confident, I'm chatty. But as soon as Amy stepped off that train, all the wit and confidence was drained from me. Firstly, you was way more gorgeous than the pictures then.
Oh yeah.
She reverse catfished me.
100%.
She's talking, she's chatty, you know, and when I could get a word in,
yeah.
I had to think about what I had to say.
Oh, and you should be drinking.
I knew something was actually wrong. Then about 4 days later, I think you was like doing salsa. Or
yeah, salsa, yeah.
And I just offered to take you home to Videography from my flat.
Yeah, I'd got
on the way home, I was like, "You're in trouble here, Craig. You're just doing these things."
Yeah.
Look, listen, I want to do some thanks. Firstly, bridesmaids, thank you so much. Being amazing friends and sisters, you know, you made us feel so special during those last couple of days, and I mean, it sounded like you all had a good fun drinking prosecco and drawing willies. And then I actually think afterwards you did a lot of pole dancing, and obviously quite good prep, just in case those energy bills keep rising. And anyway, terrible joke. One more thing though, I do want to say. As everyone might have known, Amy's given up chocolate and crisps for the last 6 months. Do you remember that? I've taken the piss so much that it's not funny anymore, apparently.
No, it's not funny.
And
it's a big thing.
Well, only because the chocolate ban didn't extend to hot chocolates, chocolate ice cream, chocolate cakes, just solid chocolate.
Yeah, I was quite clear about that.
Anyway, the chocolate ban is over, so I thought to break the head. Amy Douglas.
Yeah.
That's almost a kilo of chocolate there for you to eat.
Oh, I'm not going to lie. This is going to be better than tonight.
Thank you for listening.
Fables with red letters. True. Once upon a time.
Such an amazing animal. I only wish the best for you. You're amazing.
Freedom in love.
Everybody's breathing you.
Peace. Freedom of my mind. Thoughts lost in the flowers.
We are all here today to witness the joining in matrimony of Amy, Rebecca, Lambert and Craig Lee Douglas. If any person here present knows of any lawful impediment to this marriage, they must declare it now.
I needed to do that so don't cry.
Amy and Craig will now exchange their own personal promises to each other.
Oh.
Craig, would you?
This is it. Amy, you are the love of my life, and I'm so lucky to have you. Meeting you felt like the beginning of a new life, and I can't wait to spend the rest of it with you. I can't imagine life without you, and I promise to love you and protect you as long as I shall live, and as long as it's reciprocated. To Andromeda and back. No, we can't.
I can't not have a kiss yet. Wait, I've got to fish mine out. Hold on. I haven't got pockets like you. Craig, there are sometimes those moments in life where you just know things. Having felt such uncertainty before you came into my life, when I met you, I was not prepared for how solidly I would just know how special you are. I was not prepared for how quickly I would love you, how quickly I would miss you, and how quickly I would never want to be apart from you. What I do know is that I could not ask for a better partner in crime. You are my soulmate, my best friend, and the love of my life. And I promise to stand by you for the rest of our days.
Amy, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of our love.
as a symbol of our love,
And as a lasting reminder
and as a lasting reminder
of the vows we have made
of the vows we have made
today.
here today.
It's been warm.
Sweet Lord. Right.
Craig, I give you this ring
As a symbol of our love.
as a symbol of our love
And as a lasting reminder
and as a lasting reminder
of the vows we have made today.
of the vows we have made here today.
We've both made the declarations prescribed by law, and you've made a solemn and binding contract with each other here in the presence of your witnesses and guests. I'm therefore very happy to say you are now husband and wife, and Craig, you may kiss your new wife. Congratulations.
Feels right when it's wrong. I've stayed here too long, but something brings me back to you. I swear we belong. I'm still hanging on, but something brings me back to you. Back to you, back to